Remember when Phoebe and Pablo taught Bubbles, Brayden, and Izzy to make their friendship bracelets? Are you ready to make your own? Or maybe make one for you too? Make one for your friend and spread some love. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Here's what we'll need: a cardboard plate, a plastic cup full of beads and charms. Whoa, look at all those colors. A nylon string. We're going to make it sparkle. And of course, scissors. Ask a parent for help. We want to be careful with these, okay? First, grab that cardboard plate and pour your beads and charms on it. That way, we can see everything and pick out the ones we love the most. Step 1. Measure the string. Now, let's grab the nylon string and measure it around your wrist. This might be tricky. Ask your parents for help with this one. Leave a little extra length so you have room for mistakes. We all make them, right? Once you've got the right length, snip the string with the scissors. Ask a parent for help. Step 2. Add the beads and charms. Time for the fun part. Start by adding beads and charms to your string. You can pick whatever colors and patterns you like. For this bracelet, we're going to slide on a pink bead, then a little colorful bead. Next, I'll add a white charm. So pretty! Add beads, charms, and whatever colors your friend would like. Or if you are making it for yourself, your favorite colors. Don't be afraid to try something totally different. And then another pink bead. I'm going to keep going with this pattern. You're doing awesome! Step 3, tie the knot. Okay, when you're happy with your design, it's time for the final step. Ask a grown-up to help you put the bracelet on your wrist and tie a knot. Make sure it's not too tight. We want it comfy. Once the knot is tied, trim off any extra string. Step 4, ta-da! And voila! Your friendship bracelet is ready! Look how awesome it turned out! Now you can give it to your friend to celebrate your amazing friendship. I'm sure they will wear it proudly. You can even make another one for yourself so you can match. You did it! High five! You're officially a bracelet-making pro.
Bubbles and